Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this Santa hat together. Subscribe for more. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper, and we'll start by folding our paper in half. Now we'll open it, turn it around, and we'll fold a few millimeters of this red part so that we will have a white line. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper over and we'll fold this line of the paper to the middle line of the paper. So on one side, and do the same on the other side. Like this. Now we'll turn our paper over and we'll fold a few centimeters of our paper upwards so that we'll have a bigger white line here in the bottom of the paper. And turn your paper over. Now we'll fold this line of the paper over and fold it from this corner here over until those two white lines, white colors meet. So one, and now fold this part of the paper over so that this line aligns with this one. And press it down. Like this. Now turn your paper over again and fold this layer on this line, so just flip it over and press it down, and do the same with the other. So lift it up, flip it over and press it down. And now we'll open our hat a little bit and tuck this part of the paper inwards. And now this part of the paper, tuck it into this pocket. Like this. Now we're only one step away from finishing our Santa hat. So flip your paper over and now fold the upper part of the paper into whichever direction you want. I will do it in this one. Like this. And just press it down. Now, if you turn it around, you've made your Santa hat. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next one. Bye!